Hi guys, thank you for joining me today. Welcome to a new uploaded video. How are you? We hope everything is okay. My name is Lulu and I wish to present you today an amazing video. A beautiful image selection of comfortable contemporary home interiors. These furnishing and decorating ideas are carefully selected detached family homes in a large diversity of size, shape and styles. All of them, from living rooms to bedrooms, have an elegant and comfortable look. So please watch this video if you want a comfortable and unique home interior. Hopefully, you will find the right ideas for your home interior. Make your living space more welcoming and inviting with these great ideas. Yes, you can create a pleasant and comfortable home interiors without spending a fortune. With a few simple tricks like colors, lighting, furnishing, and simple decorating ideas, you can make your home interior more relaxing and comfortable. Watch this video and get inspired. Look at this compact and charming living room, somehow a bit bizarre but so bright and welcoming home interior. A lovely mix of colors, patterns, styles and materials, from shiny metals, glossy surfaces to tufted ottomans and striped accent wall. How you can see here, we show here you one of the most beautiful living ideas for a comfortable home, like this wonderful living room, ground floor with a wide opening to a charming background garden. So welcoming, inviting and comfortable design idea, super combination of colors, materials and patterns. Old style furniture and charming rustic or classic decorative accessories have long been an integral part of the interior design world. You can see that in this image. How cozy and homely is this home interior. A quite similar design with the previous one, in this case a charming small master bedroom with a cottage farmhouse style look, cozy and comfortable decor. Even a small kitchen and dining area can be cozy and comfortable. Just look at this small living space with a tiny dining area and a kitchenette. The charming green wall accent with small painted ceramic plates mounted on the wall is the focal point of this place. Here you can see a fabulous master bedroom with ensuite bathroom, superb color palette in a brown and white, so warm and inviting home interior made for rest and relaxation. A beautiful master bedroom in these images, warm and cozy decor, perfect for a long rainy day. The fluffy blanket contribute to the warm feeling. Another wonderful master design with a cozy look. The light color palette makes this room to look brighter, although is located in the home attic. Great design idea for such a narrow and also compact space. another great example that even a kitchen and dining area can look cozy, inviting and comfortable. We sincerely hope you like our video and you have found here valuable, inspiring ideas for your own home makeover. Please write your opinion in the comment section and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regard and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.